Have you ever felt like there's a hidden blueprint to your life? A secret map that could explain why you are the way you are? What if I told you that this map is not hidden at all? In fact, it's been with you since the very day you were born. It's written in the language of numbers. The universe is constantly talking to us, sending us messages and guidance. We just need to learn its language. This language, my friends, is numerology. It's a powerful tool that helps us understand our strengths, our challenges, and our ultimate purpose in this lifetime. It's like having a cosmic GPS for your soul's journey. Put simply, numerology is the ancient study of the mystical relationship between numbers and life events. Pythagoras believed the universe could be understood through numbers. Are you ready to discover your life path number? I promise it's easier than you think. The key is a simple process of addition and reduction. We are going to take the month, the day, and the year you were born and reduce each component down to a single digit. The only exception, if you come across the master numbers 11, 22, or 33, do not reduce them further. But for today, we'll keep it simple and focus on 1 through 9. Let's walk through an example together. December 15th, 1986. First, the month, December is 12. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the month number is 3. Next, the day, 15. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Day number, 6. Now the year, 1986. 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 equals 24. Reduce, 2 plus 4 equals 6. Year number, 6. Now we have 3, 6, and 6. Add them together, 3 plus 6 plus 6 equals 15. Reduce 1 plus 5 equals 6. The life path number is a 6. Now it's your turn. Grab a pen and paper and write down your birth date. Reduce each part to a single digit, add them, and only keep 11, 22, 33 as master numbers. You're simply adding and reducing until you get a single digit. This single number holds so much information about your life's purpose and journey. Once you have it, you're ready to unlock its meaning. Next, we'll briefly cover what each life path number means. We'll go through life paths 1 through 9. Quick strengths, shadows, and advice for each. If you are a 1, the leader. You are independent, innovative, pioneering. Your strengths, originality, courage, drive. Shadows, arrogance, excessive independence. Advice, cultivate collaboration and ask for help. 2, the peacemaker. Diplomacy, harmony, partnership. Strengths, sensitivity, intuition, patience. Shadows, oversensitivity, indecision, people-pleasing. Advice, set healthy boundaries and practice saying no. 3, the communicator. Creativity, self-expression, joy. Strengths, charisma, optimism, imagination. Shadows, scattered focus, mood swings. Advice, build daily creative discipline and finish what you start. 4, the builder. Stability, discipline, practical skill. Strengths, reliability, perseverance, systems. Shadows, rigidity, workaholism. Advice, be flexible and delegate. 5, the adventurer. Freedom-loving, adaptable, curious. Strengths, resourcefulness and charm. Shadows, fear of commitment, excess. Advice, find freedom within discipline and choose anchors you love. 6, the nurturer. Love, responsibility, service. Strengths, compassion, artistry, caretaking. Shadows, martyrdom, over-control. Advice, set boundaries and learn to receive. 7, the seeker. Introspection, analysis, spiritual inquiry. Strengths, deep insight and intuition. Shadows, isolation, secretiveness. Advice, balanced study with heart-centered connection. 8, the powerhouse. Power, abundance, material mastery. Strengths, ambition, organization, resilience. Shadows, obsession with money, control. Advice, lead with integrity and use success to help others. 9, the humanitarian. Compassion, wisdom, selfless service. Strengths, generosity, creative activism. Shadows, carrying too much, difficulty receiving. Advice, find a cause, practice letting go and accepting support. Each number offers unique gifts and lessons. Sometimes they show up as opposite energies, 1 versus 2, 3 versus 4, etc. Use them to understand yourself and others. Knowing these numbers helps explain relationships, career strengths, and patterns you repeat. Your life path is the main highway, but your full chart has side roads. Expression from your full name. Soul urge, vowels, and birthday numbers. Each adds nuance. There's so much more to learn. Dates, cycles, and personal charts. And these will deepen your understanding. Pause the video now if you need more time to calculate your number. I'll wait. Write down your number, journal the traits you recognize, and watch for recurring numbers in daily life. When you're ready, come back and we'll dive deeper. For now, remember your life path is a practical tool to guide choices. Today we've taken the first step into numerology. You learned how to calculate your life path and what it reveals about your purpose. Whether you're a pioneering 1, a nurturing 6, or a wise 9, this is your new key to understanding yourself. Keep exploring. Check your expression and soul urge, journal what resonates, and notice numbers in daily life. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope this helps you feel more aligned and empowered. If this resonated, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover their numbers. Share this with someone who might benefit. And I'll see you in the next video as we go deeper into your chart. Until then, use your number wisely.